I bet you didn't know that the chicken back is a delicacy in the Caribbean. This system is hell-bent on destroying the African. The system has truly beggared our people. And as a result of the IMF's imposed policy on Jamaica, lots of Jamaican chicken farmers went out of business. And when Jamaica went through hard times, austerity measures by the IMF, the average Jamaican was no longer able to afford even the industrialized chicken that was coming from the USA. So instead, US big agribusiness started to push into the beautiful island of Jamaica chicken backs. You see, after the wings, the legs, the breast, after all the good parts of the chicken has been removed either for fast food burgers or to be sold in retail outlets, what is left is the back, is the chicken back. Normally, the chicken back would just be useless waste. But instead, the big chicken producers decided to batch up all the backs, put it in 20-foot, 40-foot containers and ship it into the Caribbean and into Jamaica. And now this highly processed, highly industrialized remnants of chicken has become a delicacy in Jamaica. They have beggared our people. Amsanjata, Grand Theft Africa. Follow, like, share and download. Clarity ends chaos.